Dear Governor Scott, my name is Brent Reynolds, and I'm a faculty member at the University of Florida in the Department of Neurosurgery. And over the past 20 years, I have been studying the brain's ability to repair itself through the action of brain stem cells. Over the past decade, we've begun a new area of research focusing on brain tumors and the cells that drive long-term growth in this type of cancer. There appear to be countless similarities between the cells that are responsible for repairing the brain and cells that are responsible for propagating the growth of cancers and evading conventional treatments like chemotherapy and radiation. Well, outcomes following treatment of brain cancers have changed very little in the past few decades. The field is on the verge of a renaissance as a result of a new understanding of the cells that are responsible for tumor resistance, but also as a result of the methods and technologies that now enable us to identify and isolate these particular types of cells. Our research at the University of Florida has been published in some of the most prestigious journals in the world, and we're now in constant demand as a resource for teaching and presentations at conferences. Our success has been largely due to the support we have received both from our institute and state and federal government. In the past, we've contributed to the development of new intellectual property and the formation of spin-out companies that will someday be responsible for delivering effective therapies and maturing into large and profitable companies. Our intent is to continue along these lines. We're one of many groups in the state of Florida that have benefited tremendously from the Florida Center for Brain Tumor Research, or the FCBTR. This organization has been a resource for information, for tissue, and an organizing body for collating and disseminating the vast amount of data that is generated within this field. Without this resource, we would have not been able to have the success that we have had in the past. A number of years ago, I was recruited to the University of Florida, and the FCBTR played a very large role in my decision to come here. And I'm sure this applies to many other researchers and clinicians in the brain tumor field that have been attracted to work in this state. I was saddened last year to hear that you had vetoed refunding of the center, as this decision has delayed our research progress and slowed down our development of new therapeutics, not only for brain tumors, but for cancer patients in general. I understand that the Florida legislature has voted to refund the FCBTR and respectfully ask that you do not evoke your right to veto the funding of this vital resource, a resource that is so important for brain cancer patients and cancer patients in general. This is a terrible disease, but headway is being made, but this cannot occur without the support of the state and organizations like the Florida Center for Brain Tumor Research. Thank you.